If you've heard of Inbox Dollars, you might be wondering, is this thing real? Or just another get-rich-quick app that doesn't pay? Let's clear it up. Inbox Dollars is 100% real. It's been around for years and has paid out over $55 million to users. You earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, reading emails, and doing simple online tasks. Payments come through PayPal or gift cards. And yes, people do get paid. But here's the catch. You won't get rich. Earnings are slow and most surveys don't pay much. Think a few cents to a couple bucks per survey, not hundreds. Also, they email you daily with offers, which some people find annoying. So, should you use it? If you want an easy, low-effort way to make a few extra bucks in your free time, yes, definitely give it a try. But if you're looking to replace your income or make fast cash, keep looking. Let me know if you use Inbox Dollars. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. New reviews drop every week. See you next time.